Open the glove box. Remove the dampener cord from the glove box. Push in on the stopper and pull outwards. When it unclips, rotate and pull the stopper through to remove it. Lower the glove box. Unclip both sides of the filter housing door. Then unclip the middle latch upwards to be able to open the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1164C filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Close the filter housing door. The easiest way to reinstall the glove box is to reinstall the dampener cord first. Reinstall the stoppers. Close the glove box.